look at our new listing at 114 Greer. It's a detached home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and 1 parking. And as you can see on the site, there's a laneway. And the kids here have learned to bike and play basketball and all those other things in the laneway with other kids. The parking is off the laneway as well. Please come in. Entering the house, there's a lot of light. There are 2 south-facing windows. The color palette is grays and whites. Easy and neutral for everyone to move right in. A spacious living room with a gas fireplace. Windows to the east for the morning sun. The living room is open to the dining room. And the dining room overlooks the patio to the deck to the west. So the evening sun will come in through your dining room and your kitchen window. Wooden floors. We have an open kitchen with mostly stainless steel appliances, a window above the sink and a window above the counter facing west. On the main floor there's hardwood everywhere. Come have a look in the backyard. It's not big, but it's wonderful. Space for the barbecue, a big table, parking, a shed for the bikes and storage, and place for the kids to play. Please come up and have a look at the second floor. There are 3 bedrooms. That is the master with a west-facing window. And lots of closets. On this floor, you find mostly wood and ceramic in the bathroom. The bathroom is new and has a lovely big walk-in shower. The second bedroom is the small bedroom, the baby room. It has hardwood, a radiant heat, an east-facing window, and makes a great kids' room. The third bedroom what is currently used as a den for this family, has an east-facing window, closet space and hardwood floor. Most windows in the house are updated. All electric is updated. And this house gets cooled by Mr. Mitsubishi, Mr. Slim. On the south side of the house, there's a separate entrance what leads to the basement. Of course you can go upstairs too, but let's go to the basement. There's a mechanical room and storage. coat closet, incredible space under the stairs, and here's your laundry with a panel, and it's all upgraded new wiring. Here's the second bathroom. And then there's a lovely space for kids to come and play, families to watch a movie, or to use as a home office. Please come and see 114 Greer. It's a wonderful, cozy family home.